Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best electric bikes, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best electric bikes options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which electric bikes is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1, ENGWE L20 3.0. Pro New ENGWE L20 3.0. Fat bike, 250 watts, 48 volts, 15 amp hour. The compact folding electric bike with double suspension for top-of-the-range performance even in the city. Here's a solid intro to the ENGWE L20 3.0 Pro, a premium folding e-bike built for city commuting and leisurely explorations. The 250-watt brushless motor with 100 Newton-meters of torque mounted centrally is more responsive in acceleration, while the high-performance Samsung lithium battery guarantees up to 140 kilometers of autonomy and recharges in just 2 hours, thanks to the 8A fast charger. Equipped with a hydraulic disc braking system, the ENGWE L20 3.0 fat bike, thanks to the puncture-proof Fat 20 x 3-inch tires, offers maximum traction in any condition, while the full suspended system with front and rear suspension reduces jolts on rough terrain, improving comfort and handling. Number 2, Heybike Alpha. The Heybike Alpha is Heybike's first mid-drive fat tire electric model, built to suit riders from beginners to seasoned cyclists. It features both step-through, pearl white, and step-over, galaxy black frames, accommodating various preferences and heights. And I've been testing and reviewing e-bikes for a long time. And since many products overlap, it can sometimes feel like there aren't many surprises left. In all that time, though, I can't say I've encountered a description like lightweight, affordable, mid-drive, fat tire electric bike very often. But that's exactly what Heybike's Alpha is, making it stand out from the norm. So how does that unique mix of features and adjectives actually feel? In many ways, the Alpha is one of the better Heybike products I've tested to date. Both the floor and ceiling of any e-bike experience are determined by the quality of the motor, and the Alpha's mid-drive is terrific, which makes for a nice starting point. Number 3, Aniioki A9 Pro Max. The Heybike Alpha is Heybike's first mid-drive fat tire electric model, built to suit riders from beginners to seasoned cyclists. It features both step-through, pearl white, and step-over, galaxy black frames, accommodating various preferences and heights, and with a full kit of accessories and an eye-popping 2,880 watt-hour battery capacity, the Aniioki A9 Pro Max is making waves in the electric bike market. It's much heavier than your average e-bike, but that weight translates to stability at speed and ridiculously long range. It looks sleek, feels amazingly comfortable, and has a sturdy integrated rack that will make it an attractive option for delivery riders everywhere. I opted for the black version as I really dig the sleek look of Aniioki's white and gold branding on the all-black frame and components. They also have gray and white options, with white being the best option if you're concerned about safety, as it's easier to see, especially at night. Overall, the A9 Pro Max is well designed. Number 4, Freesky Swift Horse Pro X6e. The Swift Horse is engineered for adventure, providing an exhilarating ride wherever your journey takes you. Whether you're cruising through city streets, tackling rugged trails, or gliding along sandy shores, the Swift Horse's powerful motor and durable design adapt effortlessly to any terrain. The sturdy frame, responsive suspension, and wide tires work together to ensure a smooth, stable ride, even on the most challenging paths or steep inclines. Feel the rush with the 1,000-watt Bafang motor, reaching 35 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 miles per hour by throttle. Conquer any terrain with 130 Newton-meters torque, making it perfect for commuting, recreational rides, and off-road adventures. Ride confidently with the 30 amp hour Samsung battery, offering a range of 70 to 120 miles on pedal assist. Whether you're commuting, exploring new trails, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, this high-capacity battery ensures you can go the distance without worry. Number 5. Luckeep M5 Max. The M5 Max is the first groundbreaking creation from the Luckeep Max Power Research Lab. Powered by a 52-volt, 2,000-watt peak high-performance rear motor, it delivers intense acceleration and unstoppable momentum. A built-in torque sensor precisely detects your pedaling force, providing up to 120 Newton meters of responsive, efficient torque, ensuring every ride is longer, smoother, and more exhilarating. As electric bikes become more common in daily life, Luckeep stays true to its original mission, giving you the freedom to ride anytime, anywhere, and explore without limits. That's why the M5 Max is built not just for speed, but for the wild, featuring an advanced suspension system with an inverted front fork and dual rear spring shock absorbers. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or rugged back roads, this powerhouse is engineered to smooth out every bump and elevate every adventure.